Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I am here at VidSummit learning a ton about how to do the YouTube. And I ran into Dr. Stan Ekberg here at the VidSummit, and he is a holistic chiropractor. And I'm going to interview him about what the holistic chiropractic is and what he does. So thank you for being here. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what is holistic chiropractic?
Holistic chiropractic is when you look at the whole person. So a lot of chiropractors, they will say that they are holistic, that they treat the root cause, but they're still just looking at the bone. And if there's a bone out of place, then the bone is out of place because a muscle pulled it out of place. And the muscle only pulled it out of place because the brain told it to do that. So the brain can only act on information it receives from the body. It's called feedback or proprioception. So if the brain doesn't have a true picture based on that feedback, then it also cannot create full balance. And then all the things that we get out of balance, such as joint misalignments or high blood pressure or poor digestion or poor posture or muscle spasms like in massage, it's because the brain doesn't have a true picture. But then the question is, what is it that gets that picture out of whack? So in our office, we look at all those different factors. So we look at if people have a food sensitivity that creates inflammation, if they have metal toxicity, if they have chemical toxicities, if there are allergies or scars. And any of those factors can affect how the body signals and ultimately cause that problem. So if you don't address all those factors, then you're not working holistically.
I see. So, and you treat people with nutrition and brain health?
Correct. So everything is brain health. So if I touch you and you notice, then I just sent a signal to your brain. I just changed your brain's feedback. But then once we send a signal and we're trying to get that brain to rewire and create new synapses and new pathways, we also need to provide the nutrition and the building blocks for the brain to create those pathways and make those synapses, because otherwise it's just going to be a short-term correction.
I see. Okay. Wow. Everything is brain. And massage is kind of related too, because when I massage the really tight muscles, I'm sending the brain the new muscle pattern, because it's the brain that's signaling to contract, and it's stuck in a contracted position.
Exactly.
So I'm telling the brain to release and learn the new pattern.
Yes,
yeah.
And that's what I tell people, and we have 2 massage therapists in our office, and that's what I tell people: chiropractic and massage and acupuncture and physical therapy, they're all receptor-based therapies, because you give the brain different input. You specifically go in and you say to the brain, here's some more input in this area.
Yeah. Since you know so much about body and brain health and mental, let me ask you about your past. You were an Olympian.
Correct. I started out in track and field when I was much younger, and in 1992 I broke the Swedish record in decathlon, and I represented Sweden in the Olympics, where I finished 9th place. So of course it wasn't what I thought I could do, because I'm sort of have high-flying goals, but I'm very excited I've had that experience, and that whole sports career was what got me on this path, because I've always been interested in figuring out how to make humans work better.
Right. Yeah, as a whole.
Yes.
Whole mind and body connection. Yeah. Yes. Wonderful. And since he's Swedish, I have a question to ask. So is there a Swedish massage in Sweden?
No. In Sweden, they don't know about Swedish massage, as far as I know.
Yes, that's as far as I know too. So thank you for clarifying that mystery.
Yeah.
So do you have a YouTube channel also?
I do, and we're putting out a lot of content on all these topics about brain, how the body works, how you should exercise, what you should eat, and why things happen. So it's Dr. Ekberg, and you just go search Dr. Ekberg at YouTube. And Ekberg is spelled E-K-B-E-R-G.
Okay. So, and I'll put the link below in the description so you can check it out too. So thank you very much for the interview, and I'm sure you will learn a lot about the health and the holistic chiropractic. So thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.